Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something really exciting for all you health enthusiasts and fitness lovers out there. We are going to dive into the Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake. Whether you're looking for a delicious way to support your low-carb lifestyle or just need a convenient protein boost, this shake might be just what you're looking for. Let's get into it. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake comes in these handy, ready-to-drink bottles. Perfect for on the go, whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or just running errands. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this protein shake. The Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake is packed with 15 grams of high-quality protein. This is fantastic for muscle repair and growth, especially after a workout. What's more, each shake contains only 1 gram of sugar and 4 grams of net carbs. This makes it an excellent choice for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet. Plus, it's low in calories, with just 160 calories per bottle. So, it's a great way to stay on track with your dietary goals without compromising on taste. And speaking of taste, let me tell you, the creamy vanilla flavor is absolutely delicious. It's smooth, satisfying, and not overly sweet. It feels like a treat while still being incredibly healthy. Another great thing about the Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake is its versatility. You can enjoy it straight from the bottle, or you can get creative. Sometimes, I like to blend it with ice and a few berries for a refreshing smoothie. You can even use it as a base for a protein-packed coffee drink. The possibilities are endless. So, to sum it up, the Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake offers 15 grams of high-quality protein, only 1 gram of sugar and 4 grams of net carbs. Just 160 calories per serving. Delicious creamy vanilla flavor. Versatility in how you can enjoy it, whether you're looking to fuel your workout, manage your weight, or just enjoy a tasty and convenient protein boost. The Atkins Creamy Vanilla Protein Shake is definitely worth a try. Have you tried it before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep striving for your best self. Bye for now.